If you're looking for a way to get paid direct and fast, I would stay away from PayPal. Starting out with this with the Infinity Processing System, they help you get started with a PayPal button as a way to receive payments through the system. I too have been using the PayPal, but I am going to pull my PayPal off of there because I'm going to shut down with PayPal. They have some issues with digital marketing products. They're not very friendly with them. So we have a member here who's trying to set up a PayPal button, and she didn't know which button to choose. It is kind of difficult to navigate within their system to be able to set up a PayPal button. But with this system, they allow you to get paid directly to you however you want, and it doesn't necessarily have to be PayPal. You have another member say beware of using PayPal as a payment service for IPS. I had already had a lady charge back the other day because she said that she did not know what the charges was to her bank, so I was not protected as a seller through PayPal, or I removed my PayPal button and only use Square now. So they so they have to use their debit credit card to pay. See, she's using Square. You can also use Square as a payment button. That's also unique that she's using Square. So Square can also be a direct payment processing system that you can load up onto your account through your website. They make your branded website that has PayPal buttons connected to the three different three different levels that you can join at, and they put those buttons right up underneath your underneath each different product level. Now, you could use the PayPal. I'm strongly recommending that you do not use PayPal. I have loaded Stripe on there, so if you want to get started with this, you want to get started with me, please use the Stripe account to be able to access your training. I'm going to take the PayPal out, and I'm going to start using Cash App. Cash App is a direct members payment processor, so you don't have to worry about going through a middle person or having a fee taken out for using the platform. It's straight person-to-person payment, so you'll receive 100% of your payments using Cash App. So I'm going to use Cash App on my products as well, and I'm going to check out the Squares. Use Square. It's trusted. It's been a big name for like the last 3 years. So yeah, the link is in the description if you want to get started with this and learn how you can start receiving 100% commissions directly to you. Now, real quick, over in the members area, as you can see, they do show you how to set up with the PayPal buttons, but you can choose up to three payment options on your site, such as Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, and PayPal. I'm telling you, don't do the PayPal. Leave the PayPal alone. I will stick with Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, Square. If you don't do more than one, make sure to send all your links over and get them integrated on your website. I'm going to have another website linked into this so you can see we'll go over how to order your website and get started with Infinity Processing System here. Remember, click the link in the bottom. It's going to take you right over to the website. You're going to go over the 8-minute video, go over through all the writing, all the reading, see how to get started with this. If this is a perfect fit for you, you want to get joined with me, you're going to have ongoing support. My Facebook description is in the link below. Get with me through Messenger. You're going to have my full 100% support through this and helping you get started with your online journey today. The link is in the description, and get with you guys next time.